Hi, this is Rocco Beatrice, Managing Director for Estate Street Partners, and the subject today is Medicaid, spend-down provisions, and what kinds of things can you do early enough to be able to protect your assets. Well, in any good planning, you do it when the seas are calm. If you are the child of aging parents, or if you are the aging parents, you need to give some serious thought as to what happens if one of your parents gets sick, or if you're husband and wife, what happens if one of you has the unfortunate accident of not being healthy and having to access the nursing home. At $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 per month, whatever it is that you have for assets is going to evaporate before your very eyes. So what kinds of things can you do to protect those assets? Well, after attending dozens of seminars, after talking to the experts in the Medicaid field, I have found that one solution that stands true no matter what, if you do the planning early enough, is a trust with an irrevocable trust with an independent trustee. The trust becomes a third-party owner of your home, of your CDs, of your stocks, your bonds, your collectible, your arts, antiques, whatever is an extremely valuable asset to you. If a third-party owner, you don't no longer own it. It's not subject to the confiscation of the Medicaid laws or the state enabling acts. A third-party trust with an independent trustee, essentially you have divorced yourself from your money. You have given it in the care of a trustee, and we also add a trust protector for that very purpose of protecting your assets. The Medicaid spend-down provision is a confiscatory system. It gives the power not only to the federal government, the state government, but the state themselves to enable themselves to reach your assets by demanding that you either sell your property or access your cash. So what happens here is that if you don't do the planning early enough, we can still do some things, but we're very limited on an emergency basis. It's like having an accident. You can avoid the accident by planning early. Thank you.